Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you what Mountain Rose Herbs is all about. So this is my favorite company to order things from online. I've been ordering from them for a couple years now. So if you are into natural health and organic ingredients and herbs and essential oils and making your own beauty products and anything of that sort, this is the site for you. They just have everything, and I just can't say enough good stuff about this company. So I'm going to show you everything that they've got here. You can see, like, the first thing you see is like a search bar. But if you don't know what they have, you can just scroll around. They've got essential oils. You can sign up to receive their catalog, which when you get an order from them, they'll send you stuff like this with your order, like little booklets that have recipes, and all this stuff is in the little booklet. It's just amazing. This company is great. So as you can see, they're really big on sustainability. Their sourcing practices are amazing. They have, like, everything is the best quality. So you can see here all of the things that they are a part of. They're non-GMO, they're USDA certified, and so I trust them so much. And everything is so great. I'm going to show you what they have here. This is everything that they have. It's just amazing. They have essential oils, everything you could ever need for essential oils, like the oils themselves, blends, kits to make your own, roll-ons, diffusers. And then they've also got aromatherapy products like, incense, candles, natural oils. You can see everything here. And the herbs and spices section is where they really are the best, because I've never not been able to find an herb or spice that I wanted. So as you can see here, they got a ton of variety of things. And up here, if you're into cooking, they've got blends, more cooking oils and things, teas, pretty much any kind of tea you can think of. These here are ingredients for if you want to make your own beauty products. So you can make your own candles, you can make your own lotions, pretty much everything. It's just the sky's the limit, really, when it comes to that. And then if you're looking for health-related things, this kind of stuff is here. If you are really into herbalism, you can make your own herbal capsules, your own, you can put all this stuff together and put it, make it yourself, or you can buy what they got here. And then they've got stuff for the bath and body, for any kind of beauty thing you could think of here. And then they've got containers, and this is stuff for if you want to distribute your own, sell your own. You can get the jars, tins, and bottles there. And then they've got a couple other extra things under home goods. They've even got books to educate yourself. Anything you want to know about herbs or natural body care, it's all here. And then they've got a section for on sale things, feature products, clearance, and you can get gift certificates. So, like I said, this video could be an hour long if I actually went through all these sections, but I just want to show you the one that is probably the one that you're probably going to use, because the herbs and spices is it's something I talk about all the time, and everybody uses herbs and spices if they're a cook, or if they're just into holistic health and want to make their own, things like this. If they want everything to be organic, they don't want to worry about, chemicals, all that junk. So I always go to the bulk herbs and spices section, and if you don't know what you're looking for, it's okay. But if you do, they've got this alphabetized thing here where if you're, whatever you're looking for. And as you can see, they've got different sizes. I'm just going to show you something that I have recently been using, and I love it. I just absolutely love this stuff. Let's see. It's called Women's Herb Mixture something or other. Oh, I'm not seeing it here now. I wonder why. It's probably called something else. But I'll just pick anything then. I guess I'll go to one of the other ones that I usually go to. Oat Straw. This is one of my favorite ones. So if you click on it, you can see what the sizes they have are. They've got 4 ounces, which is what I usually get. I usually get the 4-ounce bag because it's a pretty good size. And I'm going to add another part to this video where I'm going to show you the sizes. I actually don't think I've ever gotten the pound one. I might have, but the 4-ounce is a good size, and it's $6 for that. And I'll be showing you at the end of this video what that actually looks like. But a 4-ounce bag lasts me, if I usually rotate between my herbs, so I don't I don't ingest all of one in a row, like all at the same time. But if I did, it'd probably last me a couple weeks, once or twice a day. I usually drink tea twice a day. So there's like a description of the herb and where it came from, how it's been used, what it's good for, things like that, and then different alternative versions of it. So that's pretty much it. And then if you want the pound, it's that much. Like I said, I don't think I've ever gotten the pound because what I do is I order 4 ounces of the ones that I want, and then I rotate through them all, and that's how I do it. So quickly before I leave, I'm just going to click on this part. They are just so amazing, and I wanted to show you. Well, there's too much to click on here, actually. You can go to this website if you really want to see. I'm going to leave a link down below so you can even get a free catalog and have this sent to you. This also comes, I think this might come when you first order from them, but you can download it as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this video off by making a separate video that I'm gonna add on, and I'm gonna show you the herbs that I currently have right now.
Alright, so in this part of the video I'm going to show you all of the stuff that I got from Mountain Rose Herbs currently. So as you can see, it's quite a bit here, and I rotate through these. So this what I have here is probably going to last me a couple more months, and I've already had these for a couple months. So the more you have, you know, if you drink tea twice a day, morning and night is what I do, then that's how long this stuff can last you. So it's very, very inexpensive. If you ever look at the prices of the tea that you buy in the store, not only is that tea not good quality, but they don't give you enough, and it's not loose leaf. It's not organic usually, and also they add extra sugar in sometimes into the stuff that comes in a can, and also the stuff that comes in the little packets, the little tea bags, it's not enough. And I've also heard that they give you the scraps that, you know, the loose junk that is just when in the production factory. It's not really the good stuff. But that's why I love Mountain Rose Herbs so much, because they're completely the opposite of that. They are all about quality. So I'm going to show you all of the ones that I got here. These two here are smaller bags, and these are the size, let's see. Why can't I see the size here? Oh, it's because I was looking at the wrong side. This is the 4-ounce pouch. So the 4 ounces are the smallest size that they come in. Actually, they go by weight. So these both are 4 ounces, even though this one's a whole lot smaller. So it really goes by weight. These two are heavier. And then, as you can see, my oat straw is almost gone. I really love this stuff. This has a good flavor. So if you're wondering about the flavor of these herbs, a lot of them will have more of a bitter flavor. Some of them will actually taste really good. I think it's an acquired taste when it comes to tea. So I have Echinacea as well. I've been eating this stuff up like crazy since you know, what's been happening, because Echinacea is really good for the immune system. So I wanted to show you this one. This is one that I was looking for on the website, and I couldn't find it under women's balancing, but maybe it was a one-time thing, I don't know. But this is the pound. This bag is a pound. And what I love about it is it just folds open like this, and it stays shut with these little flaps. And this is so much herb. It's just amazing. So it's, yeah, the pound is like $16, or give or take, depending on which one you get. But these are good for when you know that you really like an herb and you want to keep you want to keep taking it. I'm just going to show you what this looks like because you might be curious. This is a little bit different than the kind of stuff that you get in the store. So this is what whole herbs look like. So they are from the actual, oops, I dropped a little. I'm still learning my camera. I mean, I've had my camera forever, but not for video. So this stuff is whole, loose, and this is how it should look. It should have all the stuff in it. And what you do is just take a good amount, like what I got in my hand here maybe, like half a cup, a quarter cup, put it in boiling water and let it sit, and there you go. You've got some healthy tea. Very healthy compared to the stuff that you can get in the store. The stuff that you get in the store is garbage. I haven't bought anything in the store for tea in a couple years now because Mountain Rose Herbs is my go-to. And they also have essential oils. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this place just has it all. So I just wanted to show you what the packages look like and what the sizes look like and what the herbs actually look like. So you get a good idea. You can see too, like they're clear, so you can see what they look like inside. This is how a tea should be. It should not be little tiny bits that have been, you know, swept off the floor. Who knows where they came from. These are certified organic, and they're just amazing. So that's the end of this video, and I'm going to leave a link down below if you are interested in checking out Mountain Rose Herbs. I am an affiliate, so that means that when you purchase through the link, then I get a commission, and so I thank you so much if you do that. I just can't say enough good stuff about this company, which is why I became an affiliate, and I'm really excited to share the word. I want more people to know about this company. It's a great way to get your, well, tea. That's what I do. I get my herbs. You can also buy spices for cooking as well. They're just amazing. So that's pretty much how I get all my stuff now, is through Mountain Rose Herbs. So I wanted to thank you for watching this video, and if you know anybody that is interested in herbs, oils, any kind of the stuff that I talked about, send this video their way. Give it a like, and be sure to subscribe for more videos about natural health, holistic health, and all the awesome stuff that I talk about that helps you improve your body, mind, and soul. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.